Hello friends, welcome in the third part of tutorial for System Workbench for STM32. Last time we have finished with building our first project. Now we can get a bit more familiar with System Workbench. Here on the left side were automatically added files from the library. All these files are inside Windows in the same file structure except these two tabs, so binaries and includes. Good. So we have here inside binary tabs are shown all executable files created inside this project. So when we have performed in the last video the build process, here we should have the file with the name of our project and extension ELF as an executable file. Okay, in the next tab it's a list of all paths which was included to the project directory. Good. As a next folder we have folder with standard peripheral libraries. Here we have header files .h and here we have source files .c. Utilities. Here are several files with functions strictly dedicated for our target board. In my case, STM32F4 Discovery Board. So let's have a look here. Here we have several functions to initialize LED on our board and so on, and initialization of switch and so on. Good. Inside next folder we have header files strictly for our application. Good. Here we have a few source files also dedicated for our application. Here we have a startup folder. Inside there is a special file .s. It means assembler files. Inside there are orders which have to be performed out after a reset process of our microcontroller. This folder debug is created during the building process. Here all object and any kinds of other intermediate files. Here we are able to see that here inside there is also our executable files of our target program. Good. The last folder is CMSIS. It's a set of libraries from ARM. Good. And the last file is just a linker script. Good. Here we have several so-called views. So all these small windows inside System Workbench or Eclipse environment are called as views. So here we have source code views. Here we have console views. In console view are shown always comments during building process or running process or during launching a debug mode. Here we have, for example, all other view with list of errors or warnings. If accidentally we will close one of this view, it is possible just to call it here inside view menu, show view, and by clicking these problems. Here we have again it. Okay, here right now we can start to configure our running process. So we can go into run configuration. Here is shown a new window. We have to click here AC6 STM32 debugging by double click here. Okay, perfect. And right now it's automatically created a new configuration for running. Here we should have these fields automatically filled. Here, in case that we will create this run configuration before first building process, it could be so that we will have this field as empty, so we would have to add it manually. So we have to search inside always inside debug folder. So here, good. Right now we can click run, and all adjustments were automatically applied, and right now starts building process. If it wouldn't made since the last changes inside code, and building and running process, of course. Okay, verified. Okay. So yeah, we can make right now an assumption that everything works okay. So our program makes nothing, so we wouldn't be able to see anything. But I have prepared some code to be able to see something. I will paste it here inside project. Good. It's a delay function, and here inside main function it just performed initialization of one of the LED on this STM32F4 Discovery Board with a few delays. Easy. Okay, I will click to save and run again. Here will be automatically perform building process, and after it again flashing into STM32F4 Discovery Board. Okay, everything works fine. I see on my board that blue LED blinks, so everything works okay. Okay, at the end I will show you how to create debug configuration. Good, we go here into run, and instead of running configuration we have to go here to debug configuration. Good. As we see, it was already also prepared during running configuration. Here this field is already filled. Yeah, so it was just our executable file. Everything okay, so we can click just debug. Good. Again will be checked that building process was performed. Again our target board will be programmed, will be flashed, and right now we will be asked to switch to another mode, another perspective, so we can click just yes. It will take a second. Good. As we see, no problems have occurred. That's really perfect. Good. And it seems that everything works fine. Okay, perfect. So that's all for now. In the next video I will show you how to maintain this debug mode, how to perform debugging process. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.